Hey, still in Northeast. You'd think I was there for days. But anyway, a 1966 Belvedere convertible V8. Wow, you just don't see many of these. I like it. I really do. And surprise, it has a 3 on the tree. Love it. I really do. I don't know what they want for it, but it's for sale. Red line tires. It's really sweet. It reminds me of something you'd see on Gomer Pyle, which I like to watch. Oh yeah, the gas goes on the right side. Oh my. Woo! Okay. 1966 Plymouth Belvedere convertible here in Northeast Pennsylvania. I'm loving it here today. Bye-bye, guys.